Transferring money from your Steam wallet to a credit card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to have a Steam account with a sufficient balance in your Steam wallet. First, log into your Steam account and navigate to the Steam store. Click on your profile name at the top right corner of the page. Then select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to the Store and Purchase History section and click on Wallet Funds. You will see your current Steam wallet balance and the option to manage Steam wallet funding. However, Steam does not directly allow users to transfer funds from their Steam wallet to a credit card. Instead, you can use a third-party service like PayPal or a gift card to transfer the funds. To use this method, purchase a Steam gift card with your Steam wallet funds. Then, go to the Steam store and purchase a gift card for the same amount. After that, navigate to the Steam gift card section and redeem the gift card code. Now you have the gift card balance in your Steam wallet. You can then use the gift card balance to purchase items on Steam or use a third-party service to transfer the gift card balance to your credit card or PayPal account. It is essential to note that transferring Steam wallet funds to a credit card may incur fees and is subject to the terms and conditions of the third-party service you use. In conclusion, while Steam does not allow direct transfers from your Steam wallet to a credit card, you can use a third-party service or a gift card to achieve this. Always review the terms and conditions of any third-party service before using it to transfer your Steam wallet funds.